Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type firework symbol in Word. So this is very easy to type. So first you need to click on insert. Now click on symbol. Now more symbols. Just click on it. So one screen will be open. So you need to font select this one. Then you can type this character code. So just type this character code 1NAP386. So just type this character code and click on insert. You show name also this fireworks. Now second one is this 1NAP387. So just type this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So very easily you can insert or type fireworks symbol in Word. So this thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel.